Hello, in this video, you will learn how dropshipping works in Odoo. Dropshipping means your supplier ships the product straight to your customer. And I will show you the step by step. First, you have to log into your Odoo account and then go to the inventory app. And then once you're here, you have to go to configuration and go to settings. And once you're in there, just scroll down and you will find drop shipping and it should be enabled and it's enabled and you have to save it. And now that you've saved it, all you have to do is go to your um, products, click that, and then now that you are in the product section, then you have to either click your existing product or make a new one. Let's say I click the product I currently have, then I would have to fill in the product name and then check if it can be sold or can be purchased. And in the inventory tab, you have to make sure that you select dropship under the roots. And then in the purchase tab, on the other hand, you have to add a vendor. And then you have to go now to the sales app. And then once you're in the sales app, you have to create a new quotation and then you add your product, you confirm the order, and then Odoo will now create a dropship order and your supplier will ship it directly to your customer. And that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.